Businesses involved in manufacturing, selling, or distributing products generally need to manage the receipt, storage, and delivery of goods in, around, and from their warehouses. Enhancing the effectiveness of everyday warehouse operations, from the intake and storage of goods to their selection and dispatch, is essential for improving warehouse efficiency. These operations can be enhanced with smart pick-and-pack systems, a wave release process utilizing mobile RF barcode scanning, automated inventory checks, and integration with shipping systems, all contributing to increased flexibility, transparency, and labor productivity. All these capabilities and more are offered by NetSuite's Warehouse Management System, WMS. Given that NetSuite WMS is integrated into NetSuite, businesses do not need to concern themselves with integration or data synchronization issues. As goods are handled in the warehouse, each transaction is instantaneously updated in the NetSuite inventory system and reported in real time, providing the insights and visibility necessary for effective and profitable warehouse management.